Well guys, working on this Peugeot 3008. Customer's complaint is HVAC's not working, interior fan's not working on any speed. Just doing a quick check here. Housing ground is just at the motor. You can see that light, nice and bright. That's on speed 5, and as we work our way down to the resistance, you can see it dimming off. So that proves to me that the heat resistor and the wiring and the integrity of the wiring is good from this plug all the way back to the switch, proving that the fan is actually seized and at fault. I have another issue to look at on this Peugeot 008. It's or 3008. It's intermittently turning on and off the wipers and the headlamps. If I have time, I might record that too. Thanks.